I'm at Smart Industry 2018 talking to Paul Pryor, Product Marketing Manager for Drives at Schneider Electric. Paul, can you tell us a little bit about the new Altivar Process, which Schneider have labelled the world's first service-oriented drive?
Yes, basically what we're looking to do with the new smart devices is to enable customers to understand and see more process information, which leads into the theme of IIoT. So the drives are in the best position to know and understand what the process is doing. They're in the best position to log the information like hours run, number of stop starts, the energy consumption. They know all that information, so why not get them to log it? So and that's what we've done. With the new Altivar Process, we've logged the information within the drive. We make it available in various formats for the customer to be able to download it, serve it up to Wonderware or another platform they want to utilize. And by doing that, they can then run their own systems to have asset management, to increase their overall equipment efficiency, and to utilize it from a management perspective.
How can your customers, for example, access the data using augmented reality?
Yeah, so the drive itself, as I said, holds that information within variables inside the drive. So the augmented reality, in effect, is a window into the machine or into the device. By using augmented reality to highlight specific key process variables and functions inside the machine, we have the ability to be able to then bring them to life in a way that the operator can simply use simple devices and day-to-day information and get that ready very quickly to them.
So they can access this via things like smartphones,
Exactly, yeah. So we're talking about, the term we use is bring your own device. Most modern engineers now understand probably a smart tablet and a smartphone better than they understand a proprietary piece of software on a laptop. So by bringing this technology to them, using those types of media, then what we're doing is they don't need training, they're familiar with it, they're comfortable with it, and so they have that information at their tips, their hands.
How have customers responded to the launch of this product?
Very well. So what you have to look at and understand is that this type of information is aimed at end users. When you're talking about machine manufacturers, typically maybe they want different information. We also have that in our range of drives as well, but at this level, you're now looking at an end user who wants to understand what his process, what's he gaining from the process, how's he going to make the process better? And all these variables, all these smart devices holding these variables are what are giving them the edge over competitors.